Just like a tree springs from a small seed and spreads far and wide, nourishing birds, animals, insects, and humans with shade, fruits, and cool breeze. The 60-year-old Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, or GSFC, also nourishes life with its far-reaching range of products in the fertilizer and industrial products domain. Established in 1962, with the primary goal of meeting irrigation challenges and finding solutions for crop failure in the newly formed state of Gujarat, GSFC is dedicated to boosting agricultural productivity, partially owned by the farmers of the state and managed by government and industry experts. GSFC's journey has always been guided by customer-centric policies. It took GSFC just 25 months to set up its first 6 nitrogenous and phosphatic fertilizer plants and establish a reliable production route for ammonia, urea, diammonium phosphate or DAP, ammonium sulfate, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid, meeting the growing fertilizer demands of farmers around the country. Ammonium phosphate sulfate, a fertilizer manufactured by GSFC, is India's most preferred fertilizer for oilseed crops. In ammonium sulfate, another key fertilizer, GSFC enjoys a majority market share in the country. GSFC diversified into operations with new plants to manufacture caprolactam, melamine, nylon 6, nitric acid and MEK oxime. GSFC was the first organization to set up a caprolactam plant in India. With a 20,000 MTPA capacity, the company increased its capacity to 70,000 MTPA over the years. GSFC was the first Indian company to venture into the production of engineering plastics viz. Nylon 6, which is a raw material for nylon yarn, and tyre cord industries, with the largest nylon 6 capacity standing strong behind the success of the Gujalon brand. GSFC produces different grades to suit diverse applications and demands of the market. GSFC was also the first to manufacture DAP complex fertilizer in India. It is the most widely used source of phosphorus in the country. GSFC soon ventured into manufacturing industrial gases and acids to become the first Indian company to recover argon from purge gas. GSFC is the first and only Indian company to set up a melamine plant and continues to be the sole manufacturers of melamine in the country. We have further added a third melamine plant with state-of-the-art integrated molten urea producing unit, making GSFC a true market leader in the segment. With its cutting-edge manufacturing facilities, GSFC today produces a wide range of NPKs, popular throughout the country. Currently, GSFC manufactured bio and liquid fertilizer segment, producing Sardar Amine granules or SAG and Sardar Amine liquid or SAL, both eco-safe biodegradable products in biostimulant category containing amino acids derived from plant protein, all developed in-house. GSFC also invests in a wide portfolio of high-grade industrial products ranging from petrochemicals, chemicals, plastics, industrial gases and acids. The industrial products are cross-linked and integrated with the fertilizer manufacturing processes. Some of the other prominent products manufactured by GSFC are cyclohexane, cyclohexanol, hydroxylamine crystal, all catering to the rising national and international demands. GSFC may have started with its focus on agricultural solutions, but has grown to a much larger venture efficiently producing an array of valuable, superior and reliable products that enrich millions in farms, industries and homes, not just in India but across the globe, catering to more than 30 countries worldwide. Over the years, GSFC has further explored new markets and territories by partnering and promoting entities such as GSFC Agrotech Limited, a 100% subsidiary company of GSFC, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals Limited, Gujarat Green Revolution Company, Gujarat Industries Power Company Limited and many more. With such extensive operations, quality certifications are crucial to GSFC, and the company has obtained all ISO certifications and is a responsible care certified company. Aiding GSFC meet the demands and quality standards of the industry is its very own Research and Development or R&D Center. Initiated in 1977 at the Vadodara complex, this is a state-of-the-art facility, well equipped to meet the challenges of a fast-changing world. Adequately furnished with advanced equipment and a highly skilled team of scientists, GSFC continuously strives on conceptualizing and developing cutting-edge products in the field of industrial products, biotechnology, polymer science, waste utilization, corrosion protection and metallurgy. GSFC recently introduced the highly popular indigenously manufactured fertilizer, boronated calcium nitrate. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, the company has always been keen on innovations and continues to develop many in-house products. Over the years, GSFC has consciously eliminated environmentally hazardous processes and maintained an efficient effluent treatment plant. The company has taken proactive measures to generate green energy and continues to upgrade its technologies to reduce its carbon footprint. 40% of GSFC's power requirement are met by renewable energy resources generated across our factories. The company installed a total of 152 megawatt windmills at Kutch, Porbandar, Rajkot and Surendranagar. The solar power plant installed at Charanka Patan has a capacity of 10 megawatt. An additional 957 kilowatt plant with rooftop solar panels was installed across GSFC plants and office buildings. We are in the process of adding another 15 megawatt solar power plant at Charanka Patan. Our manufacturing units have significant green cover, and we encourage regular tree plantation across all our facilities. Taking a step further, all the vehicles and automotives at GSFC are CNG equipped and battery operated buggies, and e-bicycles are used for internal transport. And the company is working hard towards achieving zero pollution levels by investing substantially for preventing, minimizing, recycling or reusing of liquid effluents, gaseous emissions and hazardous solid wastes. GSFC also follows strict safety measures to avoid fire hazards. Our facilities are accident-proof and our manpower is trained to follow safety protocols and practices across all units. Just like its manufacturing facilities, GSFC has nurtured its land and its people. This is why, only a decade after starting operations, GSFC launched training centers to cultivate a pool of technically skilled manpower. GSFC also provides a steady support to Indian farmers with online and offline, agricultural and scientific knowledge sharing facilities. The company also trains young farmers and has put together valuable resource in the form of a Krishi Jeevan, a monthly magazine that shares new technological updates and researches with those dependent on agriculture for their livelihoods. GSFC Fertilizer Nagar, A personalized township for the extended GSFC family is a sprawling area with plenty of green cover equipped with modern facilities. GSFC also has its own schools and a GSFC University to impart quality education to the children and youth. GSFC also takes health and well-being seriously. Our township is well prepared to handle all medical emergencies with specialty hospitals where our team members are encouraged to avail regular checkups. These healthcare facilities have recently handled the vaccination of all our employees. At GSFC, we even have our own clubs, gymnasiums, along with a badminton academy and a semi-professional cricket ground. Over the years, GSFC has proudly won numerous awards, and with the right workforce and vision, there are many more to be won. GSFC is simply getting started and has miles to go and many more lives to enrich.